How's it going, guys? What's up, guys?
Right, and let them pass on the left.
This is such cool content for the viewers.
Yeah.
How's it going, guys? What's up, guys? Oh my gosh, bro. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh wow. That's awesome. I can't believe like it holds up in the intercoastal. Oh my gosh. That's so cool.
Now, this is a fixed bridge, so these small boats can't go under that. But now they have access to the ocean from here.
That's like a restaurant you could go to, right?
Yeah, I've never eaten there. There's a place over back behind us.
You said there's like a falafel joint or something?
It is. It's over like, I don't know, 15 minutes the other way.